Well, today we are here in the Nakhon Phanom province, right here on the mighty Mekong River. I'm going to take you guys kind of at the end of the bicycle path here in the Nakhon Phanom to a restaurant called Nuadi, which means good beef. They've got a lot of stuff on the menu. We came here once before and had an awesome hamburger. They have a little bit of foreigner food and looks like they have some awesome steaks. So the ladies are over here right now ordering some food. So let's go in here before it feels like it's starting to rain. So let's go see what's on the menu. Well, this looks like a beautiful place. They've got an air conditioned room in here too, but the ladies actually prefer to sit out here today because it's pretty comfortable weather today. So anyway, the new norm. Chonggao. It's raining. Pontok. Pontok. Good coconut water. I'm assuming you guys already ordered, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we got two dishes. This one here is a spaghetti, and it's got ham, tomato, and a little bit of bacon, and it's got some Parmesan cheese on it, and it's pretty good, topped off with some basil and some chili pepper, and a couple of other items in there too. It looks like some olives, but it's very kind of a different flavor. It's the type of spaghetti we had it last time, and it's really good. And this is definitely a pacha tale, which is similar to like a spaghetti kimao type dish, but with seafood. Anyway, looks interesting and spicy. And this is it's a loti, which is a roti, whatever you want to call it, with some beef. It looks pretty awesome. And now we have some. What is this? I don't really know what they ordered. I just said get some food. What is that? Yeah. Did you get that? Tom sap nip, boy. Okay. This looks really good. It's a duck, like an oven baked duck, and a beautiful looking salad. Looks like some kind of mustard on there. But let's dig into this sandwich here and try it out. Wow, look at that. Oh, we have no napkin. Well, Mafia says this is pet, spicy, pet mat. This is a big pepper. Let's try one of the shrimp. I got my glasses on so I can see the chili peppers. And look at this. Look, this looks awesome, doesn't it? Otherwise, more food is coming. Well, let's try this duck out.
ก็ลูกมากเลยลูกต้มใจแม่ใจร้ายเลย
Very tender, and it's like an orangey sauce, orange sauce. In Thailand, it's orangey.
ก็มันนั่นห่อน้ำสุด
Well, let's give this cheesy shell a try. I'm dropping all my
เราอยู่ใจไปสั่งอยู่บ่ดีเท่ไหนวะ
Amazing. It's really good.
แป้ง
French fries. อร่อยไหม
อร่อยอร่อยมาก
ได้แล้วผู้ยิ้ม
ๆจะมากกว่าด้วย
ผู้แผนกมันเอาดีนะ
ยิ้มแล้วพี่ทอดนะพี่ทอด
เป็นไฟอาแจกเป็นไฟคนละตอนน้ำเขาอ่านอร่อยมาก
สองก่อนเนี่ย
Okay, tongue out. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm full. Am I? This was very good food. We haven't got the bill yet. I'm sure it's going to be not so bad. I hope you guys come with us on the next adventure. We're leaving Thailand and headed to America. Gonna have lots of food adventures. Let's get the bill and see what the damage is.
มันแค่สิบแห่งนี้นะราคาบาทตัวหนึ่ง
Thought so. Well, not so bad. About 45 US dollars. Pretty cheap. This is, I call this kind of a modern type restaurant in Thailand. Now you'll find these all over Bangkok, but it's not typical to find it on the way up northeast part of Thailand in Isan, but it's spreading. The younger generation is coming back to their hometowns and opening up places like this. And this was really, really good food at an awesome price. For $45, there's no way you could enjoy a couple of beers with some awesome friends and family and have a seafood Thai-style meal like this. So it was really, really good, wasn't it? I'm gonna miss Thai food. I hope you guys come with us on our next adventure to the United States. Gonna get some good Texas barbecue. Gonna have some Cajun food and some awesome Florida seafood. It's gonna be great fun. We'll see you on the next No Time to Be Hungry video. Bye. See if I can get the ladies to say goodbye. Say goodbye, ladies. Bye-bye. We'll see you on the next one.